To adjust the temperature of your images in Canva, start by opening Canva and logging into your account. From the home page, create a new design or open an existing project. Adjusting temperature is a great way to make your photos look warmer or cooler, giving them the right mood and tone for your design. First, upload the image you want to edit by clicking the Uploads tab on the left-hand panel. Drag your photo onto the canvas and make sure it is selected. When the image is highlighted, the editing options will appear at the top of the screen. Next, click on Edit Image. In the editing panel, scroll down and look for Adjust. Under the adjustment options, find the temperature slider. Drag the slider to the right to make your image warmer, adding yellow and orange tones for a sunny, cozy look. Drag the slider to the left to make the image cooler, adding blue tones for a calm, icy, or modern effect. As you adjust the temperature, you'll notice how it changes the mood of your photo instantly. For best results, combine temperature adjustments with other settings like brightness, contrast, saturation, and highlights to get a balanced and professional-looking design. Once you're satisfied with the temperature and overall look, continue designing by adding text, elements, or graphics. Finally, download or share your edited image. Adjusting temperature in Canva is a simple yet effective way to enhance your visuals and make your designs stand out.